Well, what is developing locally and why should you even care? Developing locally simply means we're going to be doing all our coding on our computer. It's more than just writing and saving the files, though, because we have to simulate a production or server environment where our code can actually run. Our coding languages, programming languages don't just run from any operating system. Now, you're probably wondering why you would develop locally versus remotely if you aren't already. And mainly, it's easier, faster, it's more portable, and you don't really need the internet to code, which is a big plus. Some of the old ways that people have been approaching this were with like different apps. I think some of them are called XAMPP or MAMP or WAMP. Some people would actually try to get the programming language to run on their operating system, which just is a lot of configuration nightmare. Or people would configure a virtual machine manually, which is kind of similar to what we're going to be doing with Vagrant, except we'll be doing a lot easier approach. Finally, the new way, but not really that new since it's been out for a couple of years, is people develop locally with Vagrant. And we'll cover all about Vagrant further in the course.